Hello everybody, in this video I'll be unboxing and testing this Cyborg Sport Essential Micronised Creatine Monohydrate. So with this one I've been using in the past the Faction Lab, this one here, and I've also used the Ink Creatine as well. So this is different, just thought I'd give this a try. So with the micronized one, you'll notice that it's actually a lot finer than the creatine that is monohydrate. So it's meant to dissolve a lot easier. And I'll test this as well to see how it is. Just struggling here to open the packaging. Here we go. Okay, so from the look of it from the top, you see that it's like very fine powder. I do see the scoop in there. So my plan is to put some of it in this tub so it's a lot easier to take out and use. So this one's an empty one, so I'm just gonna pour it in here. I'll just put half of it since I'll be just trying it out. So as I'm pouring it, I've also noticed that there is this little packaging. I'm assuming this is to absorb any water to just keep it dry. So okay, I've already poured quite a bit of it, so that's half the container. Let me just smell it. Just smells normal. There's no fishy smell. So I have read that some other powders may give off some fishy smell. This one doesn't. So I'm just going to use the scoop. Just going to stir it. And just from the look of it, it actually dissolves very easy. Some of the other powders that I used before, some of the creatine powders, it actually didn't dissolve at all. So this one here dissolved quite easily. So just going to give it a try. And yep, it was pretty easy to just drink. You can't really taste the chalkiness. So I'm just gonna finish it off and then see if there's any little residue. Normally you can see there's a little bit of residue at the bottom of the cup. This one, hardly anything. Then a little bit of specks, but so far so good.